Hello students, welcome to the chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acids. This is chapter number 12 in class 12 chemistry. In this first video lecture, you will be learning introduction and definition of carbonyl group, structure of carbonyl group, nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones and its nomenclature. Let us begin our session. These aldehydes and ketones are known as carbonyl compounds. So what are these carbonyl compounds? These are the organic compounds in which there is a presence of carbonyl group. So carbonyl group look like this. It is C double bond O group. So out of 4 valencies of carbon, 2 valencies are free and other 2 valencies are binded with oxygen atom. In carbonyl group, the oxygen atom and carbon atom both show sp2 hybridization. And the carbon atom of carbonyl group is known as carbonyl carbon, and also the oxygen atom of carbonyl group is known as carbonyl oxygen. In this carbonyl group, carbon is double bonded with oxygen atom and there is a presence of 2 free valencies, and which are going to decide whether the compound belongs to aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid. So the definition for carbonyl group is a group in which carbon atom is attached to oxygen atom by double bond and remaining 2 valencies of the carbon atom are free, is known as carbonyl group. So this carbonyl group is the base for few more compounds. For example, the first one, there is a presence of C double bond O. Out of 2 free valencies, one is alkyl or aryl group represented as R group, and other is compulsorily it is hydrogen atom. It is RCOH or RCHO. Such type of compounds are known as aldehydes. Second type of compound, there is also the presence of C double bond O, and now both the valencies are alkyl or aryl groups. Dear students, R and R dash may be same or different. Such type of compounds are known as ketones. The third category of compounds where there is a presence of carbonyl group, that is C double bond O. The first valency is alkyl or aryl group and the second valency is OH, RCOOH. Yes, you are right. It is carboxylic acid. So this carboxylic acid, it is having a number of derivatives just by the replacement of OH group. So out of which the first one, C double bond O group remain as it is along with R. Instead of OH, now it is OR. Such type of compounds are known as esters. So here R groups may be same or they may be different. Second type of a compounds, C double bond O, one side R as it is. Instead of OH, now it is X. X is halogen atom. It may be F, Cl, Br or I. Such type of compounds are known as acyl halides. The third category of compound where there is a presence of carbonyl group and R group as it is, Instead of OH of carboxylic acid, now it is NH2. Such type of compounds are known as amides. And the fourth category of compounds where there is a presence of two C double bond O groups and which are bridged by oxygen atom and other valency is same, that is R. Such type of compounds are known as acid anhydrides. Anhydride means it is compound without water. If you take 2 moles of RCOOH and you are having 2 OH groups now, retain 1 oxygen as it is, remove 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms and you are getting acid anhydrides. Anhydride means compound without water, and these 4 type of compounds which are derived from the acid and they are known as acid derivatives. Moving to the structure of carbonyl group, we have C double bond O group where the oxygen atom of carbonyl group is having 2 lone pair of electrons and both carbon and oxygen atoms are sp2 hybridized. The bond angle between 2 free valencies of carbon and a free valency and double bonded oxygen is 120 degrees. And the compound form a geometry triangular planar. Out of 4 valencies of carbon, the 2 free valencies are single bonded and they are sigma bonds. And as we know, in the double bond there is a presence of 1 sigma bond and another is pi bond. Moving further, this C double bond O where oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, which always tend to withdraw the bonded pair of electron towards itself, leading to the formation of resonating structures. So where the bonded pair of electrons are moved towards oxygen atom. As oxygen gains the electron gets a negative charge. Carbon by the loss of electron gets a positive charge. As there is a formation of 2 opposite charges, it is going to form dipolar ion. With a positive charge, carbon acts as electrophile or Lewis acid, and with a negative charge, oxygen acts as nucleophile or Lewis base. So in general, as oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom, the carbonyl group is polar in nature and show large dipole moment. And dear students, please remember this polarization is the reason for the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Fine. We learn now nomenclature of aldehydes. Dear students, we know that aldehyde is having a functional group CHO, which is also known as formyl or aldehydic group. And remember, this aldehydic group is always present in the terminal position in the chain. It is never a middle carbon atom, it is always a terminal carbon atom. Moving to common system of naming, we take an example HC double bond OH. These aldehydes can be named with the help of its carboxylic acid. It means HC double bond OH. If it is a carboxylic acid, it would be like HC double bond OOH. And as it is having only one carbon atom, which can be called as formic acid. But instead of OH, there is a presence of H. Instead of carboxylic acid group, it is aldehydic group. So the name for this carboxylic acid group with one carbon atom is formic acid. Now remove this IC acid and add aldehyde. Therefore, name for the compound is formaldehyde. Second example, CH3C double bond OH. If it is a carboxylic acid, it would be CH3COOH. And the name for this carboxylic acid is acetic acid. Now coming to second rule, replace IC acid or ic acid by aldehyde. So the name of the compound is acetaldehyde. Moving further, in IUPAC system of naming, consider the longest continuous chain as a parent group which contain CHO group. The second one, ending E of parent alkane is replaced by Al. If it is a alkane, ending E is replaced by Al. So the name of the compound is alkanal. Alkane, alkanal. Hence IUPAC system of aldehyde is alkanal. Example, HC double bond OH, as it contains only one carbon atom, first member of alkane, that is methane. As there is a presence of C double bond O group and also hydrogen atom which is directly linked to carbon atom of carbonyl group, ending E of alkane is replaced by Al. So the name of the compound is methanol. Second example, CH3C double bond OH, as it is 2 carbon compound, alkane name is ethane, ending E is replaced by Al, ethanol. And if the CHO group or the aldehyde group is directly attached to a ring structure, it may be alicyclic or aromatic, then the suffix carbaldehyde is to be added to the full name of cyclic hydrocarbon. Example, we have 6-membered alicyclic compound, it is not aromatic, it is alicyclic, and to which CHO group is directly attached. So name for this 6-membered alicyclic group is cyclohexane. Now we are going to add the suffix carbaldehyde because we have CHO group which is directly attached to 6-membered cyclohexane. So the name for the compound is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Few more examples. Aldehyde, common name and IUPAC name. First one, HC double bond OH, common name is formaldehyde and the IUPAC name is methanol. CH3CHO, common name acetaldehyde, IUPAC name ethanol. Third one, CH3CH2CHO, 3 carbon compound, common system of naming propanaldehyde and IUPAC name propanol. Next, fourth one, CH3CH2CH2CHO, total number of carbon atoms are 4, therefore common system of naming N-butyraldehyde and IUPAC system of naming is butanol or 1-butanol. Next compound, CH3CHCHOCH3, total number of carbon atoms are 4, but in parent chain there are only 3 carbon atoms and it is a branch. Methyl group, it is a branched one. CH3CHCH3 as one specific group and that group is known as iso group. And as the total number of carbon atoms are 4, common system of naming is isobutyraldehyde, whereas in IUPAC system of naming it is 3 carbon parent chain and CH3 is a branch. So the IUPAC name for this compound is 2-methyl propanol. Few more examples. CH3CH double bond CHCHO, total number of carbon atoms are 4, and there is a presence of carbon-carbon double bond between second and third carbon atoms. Common system of naming, crotonaldehyde. And IUPAC system of naming, we are going to represent the double bond position also. So it is but2-enal or 2-butenal. Next example, 6-membered aromatic compound, benzene, CHO group which is directly attached to benzene ring, and also this OH group directly attached to benzene ring. In the priority of functional group which you learned last year, CHO has a higher priority than compared to OH. So the compound belongs to aldehydic family. Common system of naming, salicylaldehyde, as OH group is adjacent to the functional group, and the group which includes CHO is called benzaldehyde. It is a common name, it is a benzaldehyde, and the position of OH group is on second carbon, so it is hydroxy. So the IUPAC name is 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Next one, 6-membered aromatic ring and CHO group directly linked to benzene ring. Common system of naming, benzaldehyde, and IUPAC system of naming, we are going to take it as carbaldehyde. So it is benzene carbaldehyde. Few more examples. 6-membered aromatic ring and 2 CHO group adjacent to each other or 1-2 position. The common system of naming is phthalaldehyde, PH silent, phthalaldehyde. And IUPAC system of naming, it is a 6-membered aromatic compound, benzene, to which there is a presence of 2 CHO groups and they are known as carbaldehyde. We are going to take carbaldehyde as and when this CHO group is directly attached to aromatic or alicyclic ring. So the IUPAC system of naming is benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Next example, benzene ring to which CH double bond CH, CHO group. Common name, cinnamaldehyde. IUPAC name, it is considered as a 3-carbon parent chain, and there is a presence of carbon-carbon double bond. To the third carbon there is a presence of phenyl group because it is C6H5. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by CH double bond CH, CHO. So this group is phenyl group. 3 carbon, third carbon, phenyl group is attached. So the name of the compound is 3-phenyl-prop-2-enal or 3-phenyl-2-propenal. Moving to ketones and its nomenclature. So we learned ketones in which there is a presence of C double bond O group, which is a functional group for ketones, and it is also known as keto or oxo group, and this keto group is never a terminal carbon atom. Moving to classification of ketones, depending upon the substituent groups R and R dash attached to C double bond O, there are of 2 types. First one, CS3 C double bond O CS3, as R and R dash both are same, they are known as simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. If they are different, as one is CS3 and another is C2H5, such type of ketones are known as mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketones. Coming to definition, the ketone in which both alkyl groups attached to carbonyl group are same, such type of ketones are known as simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. The definition for mixed ketone, yes, you are right, ketones in which both the alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are different. Moving to nomenclature of ketones, IUPAC system of naming. We are going to select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms which contains CO group as a parent chain, and ending E of parent alkane is replaced by ONE or ON. Example, alkane ending E is replaced by ONE. So it turned to be alkanone. IUPAC name of ketones is alkanone. Example, CS3C double bond O CS3, one of the example for simple or symmetrical ketone. As there are 3 carbon atoms, propane, there is a presence of C double bond O group, ending E is replaced by ONE. So the name for the compound is propanone. Second example, CS3CO CH2 CH2 CH3. So there are total 5 carbon atoms. Name for parent alkane is pentane, ending E is replaced by ONE. The position of CO is to be mentioned. So as it is present on the second carbon atom, so the name for the compound to be rewritten as pentane 2-on. Moving to some of the examples. First one, CS3C double bond O CH2 CH3. CH2 CH3, it is a ethyl group, and CH3 it is methyl group. Write in a alphabetical order and write ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone is a common name for first compound. Second one, CH3CH CH3, it is a isopropyl group, and another side CH3 it is a methyl group. So the common system of naming for such compound is isopropyl methyl ketone. Moving to the third one side CH3, another side 3 carbon propyl group or N propyl group. Common system of naming methyl N propyl ketone. Coming to IUPAC system of naming, first one, total there are 4 carbon atoms. Butane, ending E is replaced by ONE, so the IUPAC name is butanone. Second example, there are total 4 carbon atoms. Third carbon atom contains CH3 group as a branch. So the name for the compound is 3-methyl butane 2-on. Next one, total there are 5 carbon atoms. Second carbon ketonic group. So the name for this compound is pentane 2-on. Few more examples. CS3C CH3 double bond CHCO CH3, and a 6-membered alicyclic compound with C double bond O group directly attached. Common system of naming methyl oxide for the first one, and IUPAC system of naming, we are going to consider the parent chain. There are total 5 carbon atoms, and the 4th carbon atom contains CH3 or methyl as a branch, and there is a presence of double bond between 3rd and 4th carbon. So the name for the compound is 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2-on. Next compound IUPAC name is cyclohexanone. Last few more examples. CH3C double bond O, and which is linked to benzene ring. CH3CH2 C double bond O, which is linked to benzene ring. CH3 group, benzene ring or phenyl group, which are attached to C double bond O. Arrange them in alphabetical order: methyl phenyl ketone. Or in other words, you can consider the CH3C double bond O group as acetyl group, and which is linked to phenyl group. So it is acetophenone. Second example, CH3CH2 one side of the ketonic group and phenyl group on the other side of ketonic group. Ethyl phenyl ketone or CH3CH2 C double bond O. This group is known as propionyl group. Therefore, another common name for the same compound is propiophenone. Coming to IUPAC system of naming, 2 carbon atoms, ethane ending E is replaced by ONE, ethanone, and there is a presence of phenyl group also. So it is phenyl ethanone. Similarly, for the next compound, there are total 3 carbon atoms, propane ending E is replaced by ONE, propanone, and which also contains phenyl group. Hence the name of the compound is phenyl propanone or 1-phenyl propanone. Thank you, students.